Hello, kids! This is Teacher Heidi, your online learning buddy. Today, we're going to practice reading short stories with comprehension check. Are you ready? Let's start. The Little Deer Fawn. In a small forest lived a little deer named Fawn. He loved to run, jump, and play all day. His mother, Fiona, always stayed close to him. She often said, "Stay near me. The forest can be dangerous." One sunny morning, Fawn saw a colorful butterfly. He ran after it and forgot about his mother. Soon, the butterfly flew away. Fawn stopped and looked around. He was all alone and lost. The forest looked dark and scary. Fawn called for his mother, but no one answered. Suddenly, he heard a sound in the bushes. A fox came out with sharp teeth. Fawn was very afraid and could not move. Just then, Fiona rushed in. She stood in front of Fawn and stomped her hooves. The fox got scared and ran away. Fiona hugged Fawn tightly and said, "I will always protect you." Fawn promised never to wander away again. Moral of the story: a mother's love is brave and always protects her child. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, Let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who is the little deer in the story? A. Fawn, B. Fox, C. Wolf. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. Fawn. Question number 2. What did Fawn chase? A. A bird, B. A rabbit, C. A butterfly. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is C. A butterfly. Question number 3. Why was Fawn scared? A. It was raining, B. He was lost, C. He was hungry. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. He was lost. Question number 4. Who saved Fawn from the fox? A. Mother Fiona, B. Another deer, C. A hunter. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. Mother Fiona. Question number 5. What did Fawn promise at the end? A. To stay close to his mother, B. To run faster, C. To chase butterflies. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. To stay close to his mother. The Fox and the Stork. One day, a selfish fox invited a stork to dinner at his home. The stork happily came and knocked on the door with her long beak. The fox smiled and said, "Please come in." The fox served soup in shallow bowls. He quickly licked up all his soup, but the stork could not drink any because her beak was too long. She stayed hungry but did not complain. The stork kindly said, "Thank you for dinner. Please come to my home tomorrow." The next day, the fox went to the stork's house. The stork served soup in tall jugs. She drank the soup easily. The fox could not reach the soup and stayed hungry. The fox learned his lesson that day. Moral of the story: do not be selfish. What you do to others may come back to you. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who invited the stork to dinner first? A. The stork. B. The fox. C. The dog. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. The fox. Question number 2. What food did the fox serve? A. Rice. B. Soup. C. Bread. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. Soup. Question number 3. Why couldn't the stork eat the soup? A. It was too hot. B. She was not hungry. C. The bowl was too shallow. What is the correct answer? Correct. The correct answer is C. The bowl was too shallow. Question number 4. What did the stork use to serve soup? A. Plates. B. Tall jugs. C. Shallow bowls. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. Tall jugs. Question number 5. What lesson did the fox learn? A. Be kind to others. B. Eat fast. C. Invite friends often. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. Be kind to others. Thank you for watching, kids. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone.